3D printed fixture. It's like this is a sample test piece, end part, just to have something to compare to.